What if a simple wall in Archicad could unfold into a complete Rigips drywall system, showing the profiles, insulation, boards, and real construction logic inside? With the Eptar Rigips add-on, this becomes possible directly inside your BIM model. Draw the wall, select it, and choose the drywall solution that matches your project from the given product options. In 3D, you can check the complete drywall assembly. Change the view, and you can inspect the metal framing placed automatically according to the selected Rigips solution. Openings are handled too. Profiles adjust around doors and windows without extra manual work. Need more flexibility? Ungroup the profiles and customize them separately where the project requires it. And when it is time for documentation, the solution also includes a 2D detail library. You can open the folders, choose from the most common Rigips construction details, and place them directly into your drawings. So, why model drywall construction piece by piece? Download the Rigips Product Solutions for free and start using it today. Available on our website eptar.hu for both Windows and Mac OS.